Thanks for joining us. We're here on the Stardraw stand. I'm here with David. David, we were talking off camera just before about the problems that integrators are facing. Is this an area where Stardraw can help, do you think?
Yeah, well, we see one of the big problems is that manufacturers keep manufacturing stuff, and it's a real challenge to keep up with it.
Yeah.
Not only do they come up with new products, but they change their pricing.
Sure.
They have special offers, they change different currencies, different pricing, and it's a real challenge for our customers to keep up to date with all the pricing. So we've come up with a new product. It's called Stardraw Cloud, and it's basically something that the manufacturer or the distributor or the person that's selling to the integrator can provide as a design and documentation tool that runs on their website with their products and their pricing. So the integrator is guaranteed to know that they're the latest products with the latest pricing.
So this is like a software add-on?
No, it's actually a website.
Right,
you can go, you can completely customize it with your own products, your own pricing, your own reporting, even your own CRM, and integrate it in with your own ERP, customer relationship management software, and enterprise resource planning. So I've got all my database, I've got my products, I've got my pricing. I want to be able to provide it to the integrator in an easy to use fashion. Well, he's going to be designing the system that he wants to use anyway and wants to generate a quote. Well, if he can come to my website and design his system with my products, I can give him the latest pricing guaranteed to be accurate, free for him to use. So it's great for him, it's great for the distributor and anybody else that sells direct to the systems integrator.
You mentioned it a couple of times there that the target audience for this is quite a broad base then, isn't it?
Yes. I mean, previously, Stardraw was focused to the systems integrator. What Stardraw Cloud is moving up in the supply chain and going to the person that sells to the systems integrator. So a simple way would be a custom panel manufacturer, a company like COVID.com or Ace Backstage, where they actually have the panels and the connectors and they sell that to the integrator. Well, if the integrator can go to COVID.com and design his panel, get the price and order it online without him costing a penny or having to have his own design software, everybody wins. And that's what we have delivered today with Stardraw Cloud to companies like COVID, and we're expanding that worldwide. Because you can localize this in any language. I mean, we're here in Barcelona. Where's the Spanish version of all the design tools out there? There isn't any.
Yeah.
But with Stardraw Cloud, you can localize it, not just down to the language, but also the pricing and the taxes and the per user pricing, right? And we are GDPR compliant. So we, unlike other suppliers, we won't sell your data. Yeah. It's your data, GDPR, it stays in the EU, it doesn't leave the EU. It's your data, which is what our customers really care about nowadays.
And for those who are kind of watching the video now pique their interest, how do they find out more? How do they get to use Stardraw Cloud?
So the product is called Stardraw Cloud, and you go to stardraw.cloud. Try it.
I think you've made it pretty simple, actually.
Yeah, we try our best.
David, lovely to talk to you. Thanks for your time.
And you, Paul. Thanks.